Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about nuclear chemistry. Now let's dive in a topic. Chapter 1, Class 9, Lesson 5, Fundamentals of Chemistry. Nuclear chemistry. What is nuclear chemistry? Nuclear chemistry is the study of the physical and chemical properties of elements which are influenced by changes in the structure of the atomic nucleus. It also deals with the energy released from nuclear reactions and its uses. It is also termed as radiochemistry, which includes the study of the formation of the elements in the universe, the design of radioactive drugs for diagnostic medicine, and many other applications. There are two types of nuclear reaction. Number one, nuclear fission. It is the type of reaction where the atom's nucleus splits into smaller parts, releasing a huge amount of energy in the process. In nuclear fission, a heavy atom is divided into two smaller nuclei. Nuclear fission is a nuclear reaction where the nucleus typically of a heavy element is split into lighter nuclei. For example, uranium atomic mass 235. The initial neutron bombarded on uranium 235, it divides into krypton 93 and barium 140 with the release of 3 neutrons. New nuclides are formed. New neutrons released from the first fission is bombarded on another 3 uranium atom, and these 3 uranium atoms again divided into 2 lighter nuclei with the release of 3 neutrons. This uranium atom is divided into barium and krypton with the release of 3 neutrons. The second neutron is bombarded on another uranium atom. This uranium atom is again divided into barium and krypton with the release of 3 neutrons. And the third uranium atom is bombarded with this third neutrons, and again this uranium atom is also divided into barium and krypton with the release of 3 neutrons. Due to this, a chain reaction is carried out. Again, with the release of 3 neutrons, these 3 neutrons bombarded on another 3 uranium atoms. Similarly, these 3 neutrons bombarded on another 3 uranium atoms, and this 3 neutrons bombarded into the another 3 uranium atom. As a result of it, a large amount of energy is released. Number 2, nuclear fusion. It is a type of reaction where two or more elements fuse together to form a larger element, releasing a large amount of energy in the process. For example, deuterium Deuterium nucleus contain one proton and one neutron. It is the isotope of hydrogen. And the nucleus of tritium contains two neutrons and one proton, another isotope of hydrogen. During nuclear fusion, they fuse together to form helium nuclei, an isotope of helium containing two neutrons and two protons and three neutrons with the release of energy. Deuterium and tritium, both of the nuclei fuse together to form a nucleus containing two protons and three neutrons. A large amount of energy is released. One of the neutron is released from this fused nuclei, and finally helium nucleus is obtained, which contain two protons and two neutrons. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe my channel Science Kick. Allah Hafiz.